Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk about everything you need to know about your Wi-Fi device, being it a router or a MiFi. Basically, I'm going to talk about how to connect to your Wi-Fi device, how to change your Wi-Fi password, how to change the name of your Wi-Fi, how to reset your Wi-Fi in case you forget the password, how to know the password of a Wi-Fi device and how to change it even if you don't know the password, how to check the number of devices that are currently connected to your Wi-Fi device, and how to limit the number of people that can connect to your Wi-Fi device at a particular time. And lastly, how to hide your Wi-Fi network so nobody can connect to your Wi-Fi except you and the people you give access to. On this channel, I make a lot of tutorial videos on tech tips and tricks. So subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on the post notification so you get alerted whenever I post a new video. Let's get straight into the video. If you want to connect to this MiFi, what you need to do is to first open the MiFi, put in your SIM card. When putting in your SIM card, make sure the SIM card is going in the direction that is shown here. Slide your SIM card in and make sure it fits perfectly. Put in the battery, making sure the terminals on the battery is matching the terminals inside the MiFi. Find the power switch on the Wi-Fi device and press and hold it until you see the lights coming on. So with most Wi-Fi devices, there are different lights which indicate different kind of things. For example, this here is signifying that the Wi-Fi device is active and it can be connected to a device. This here is the network and it's indicating that the Wi-Fi is now connected to whatever network you kept it in. When this light turns red, it means the Wi-Fi is not getting a network signal. This could also be that the SIM in the Wi-Fi was not fixed as you're supposed to fix it. So you might want to check if the SIM is well fixed. Another thing a red light may mean is that the SIM card in the Wi-Fi device is not supported by the Wi-Fi. So now let's connect to our Wi-Fi. Before you connect to your Wi-Fi, go to your settings, Wi-Fi, and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Once the Wi-Fi is turned on, all available Wi-Fi network that is in the range will show up under networks. To identify your Wi-Fi, you need to know the name of your Wi-Fi. The name and password of your Wi-Fi should be found inside the battery cover of your Wi-Fi device. In case you don't find it there, you should take off the battery and it should be written inside your Wi-Fi device. So once you know the name of your Wi-Fi device, find it under your network and tap on it. Enter the Wi-Fi key or password you found on the Wi-Fi device. After you enter the password, tap on join. And that is basically it. Your phone should be connected to your Wi-Fi device. So now this is how to change the password of your Wi-Fi device. Make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi already. So once you are connected to your Wi-Fi device, open your browser, and this basically works with any browser you are having, and it works with both Android and iOS. Enter the IP address of your Wi-Fi device. The IP address should be written at the back of your Wi-Fi device and it mostly starts with 192. And make sure you enter the IP address with the dots in between the numbers. After you enter the IP address, you should see a page requesting for a username and password. The username and password is mostly written at the back of your Wi-Fi device. And in this case, both the username and password is admin. And actually, most Wi-Fi device is just admin. So enter the admin, tap on login, and you should be logged into the portal of your Wi-Fi device. So once you enter the portal of your Wi-Fi device, you can change the name of your Wi-Fi device and you can change the password of your Wi-Fi device. To change the name, search for network name, tap on it, and write any name you want to use as your Wi-Fi name. And to change the password, tap on display password to see the current password on your Wi-Fi device. And you can delete it and enter the new password you want to use as your Wi-Fi password. Once you are done, tap on apply and tap on yes, and the name and password of your Wi-Fi should change to the one you just set it to. So after you change the name or password of your Wi-Fi device, all devices that were connected to your Wi-Fi device before you change the name will be disconnected and have to search again and reconnect again. So you can see the name has now changed to the new name I used. And when I tap on it, I can enter the new password I set and I'll be connected to the Wi-Fi. Another way to change the password of your Wi-Fi device, especially when you don't know the password to the Wi-Fi and you don't want to reset the Wi-Fi to factory settings. This basically works for only routers because you are going to need to use a line cable. So in this case, I'm going to use my MacBook, and you have to make sure your Wi-Fi device is turned on. Connect the line cable to your Wi-Fi device and then connect this to your MacBook. My MacBook doesn't have a line port, so I'm going to use this adapter to connect to the MacBook. So I'll connect this line cable to this adapter. So I can use this Type-C to connect to my MacBook. Open the browser, enter the IP address which is written at the back of the Wi-Fi device. Enter the username and password which is also written at the back of the Wi-Fi device. And because you are connecting your Wi-Fi device using the line cable, you wouldn't need the Wi-Fi password to get access to the device network. So once you enter into the portal, you should see the Wi-Fi name and password and you can make any change you wish to make to it. So now let's say you set your Wi-Fi password and you've completely forgotten the password you set it to. This is how to reset your Wi-Fi device to the factory settings, so your password will be reset to the one that came on the device. So to reset your Wi-Fi device to factory settings, make sure your Wi-Fi device is turned on. Look around your Wi-Fi device to find the reset hole. If you don't find it around it, open your Wi-Fi device and you should see the reset hole inside the device. Find a SIM ejector tube or anything that can enter into the hole. Put it inside the hole for about 5 to 10 seconds and all the lights on your Wi-Fi device will go off and you can release the pin. The lights should come back on and your Wi-Fi device should be reset to factory setting. That means the Wi-Fi name and password should be restored to the name that came on the Wi-Fi device. Now let's go to how to check the number of devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi device and also to set the number of devices that can be connected to your Wi-Fi device at any given time. To do that, make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Once you are connected, enter the IP address. The username and password is mostly written at the back of your device and it's mostly admin in small letters. So on your Wi-Fi device portal, you can check on the upper right corner of your portal and you will see the number of devices that are connected to your Wi-Fi device at the moment. So to set the number of devices that can be connected to your Wi-Fi device at any given time, go to device settings, go to Wi-Fi settings, go to SSID settings, tap on the MAC station number and you should be able to set the number of devices you want to be connected to your device at any given time. Tap on apply and tap on yes, and now only the number of devices you are allowed can be connected to your Wi-Fi device at any given time. So now the next settings is how to hide your Wi-Fi network so no one can connect to it except the people you give access to. So again, before you do that, you need to make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi network. Once you are connected, enter the IP address, which is mostly written at the back of your Wi-Fi device. Enter the username and password to enter into the Wi-Fi device portal. Once you are inside the portal, go to device settings, Wi-Fi settings, SSID settings, find SSID broadcast and make sure it's unchecked. And once you are done with that, tap on apply, tap on yes, and now your Wi-Fi network will be hidden from any device. Even if they are in your range, they will never find your Wi-Fi network to connect to. So now the only people that can connect to your Wi-Fi network are the people you give your Wi-Fi name and password to. So now you can see that the Wi-Fi device is turned on and it's connected, but when I come to my Wi-Fi and turn Wi-Fi on, it does not find the Wi-Fi network. So for me to be able to join, I need to tap on others, enter exactly the Wi-Fi name on this device, then enter the password of the Wi-Fi device. If I get all this correct, that is when I will be able to join this particular Wi-Fi device. So basically that is all you need to know about your Wi-Fi device. But if you have any further question, put it in the comment below and I'll try my best to answer every single one of them. Subscribe to this channel so you see more of my videos and make sure you turn on the post notifications so you get notified anytime I post any video. Thank you once again for watching and I'll see you in the next one. What's your say?